Hey, it's Christian with SCG. Today is solar panel installation day. We are in LaGrange at a single family home. It's about 40 degrees outside, cloudy, your typical Midwest day. The sun is nowhere to be found. But who doesn't love the sun and want to harness its power? Not only is it a smart, eco-friendly thing to do, but it could offer you great savings and help build equity in your house. Of course, be sure to do your research and check incentives that your state offers. Let's see if we can find the sun.
So the garage has panels and then the house, and they both are going to run down directly to ComEd. Your usage will be discounted by those credits that you were given from ComEd. And there's savings because you don't have to worry about transportation of energy. So if your neighbors don't have it, we'll help to power them. You have to pull a permit. You have to do an actual architect plan. So I took a look at the one page. It just shows like a top view and a higher level wiring. So you go register that with the city. It has a certain amount of kilowatts, and then based on that, you get your credits, like the number of panels you have, things like that.
And you're just doing a good thing for the environment.
Yeah, on top of that.